morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds, alcohols. Evaluate yourself. 8. Which of the following set of reactants will give 1-methoxy 4-nitrobenzene? Two reactants are given. So, this 1-methoxy 4-nitrobenzene is given by second reactant because the para-nitrobromobenzene cannot be used as a substrate. The bromine atom is strongly bonded to carbon atom. This Br minus cannot be easily removed. Therefore, the second reactant is used to prepare 1-methoxy 4-nitrobenzene. Now I write the equation. O2N, nothing but NO2, benzene ring, ONA. In the para carbon, we have one NO2. Therefore, para nitro sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. When treated with methyl bromide BrCH3, bromomethane IUPAC name, 1 carbon meth N methane, 1 Na plus from para-nitro sodium phenoxide and Br minus is removed as NaBr. This plus is added to this minus gives O2N benzene ring. This is your OCH3 plus loss of sodium bromide NaBr. This is your 1-methoxy 4-nitrobenzene IUPAC name, 1-methoxy and 4th carbon we have nitro, 4-nitro, parent hydrocarbon benzene. What about the first reactant? Now I write the answer for the first reactant. Para-nitrobromobenzene cannot be used as a substrate because bromine is strongly bonded to the carbon atom of benzene ring and hence it cannot be easily replaced. Now, come to the next question of this. Evaluate yourself. What happens when metacresol is treated with acidic solution of sodium dichromate? Cresol means hydroxytoluene is called cresol. OH, in the meta position we have 1CH3. This is your metacresol. Undergo oxidation in presence of acidified sodium dichromate Na2Cr2O7 acidified with sulfuric acid. Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen is called oxidation, we know. 1H2 and 1O is removed as H2O, COOH, that methyl group is oxidized into carboxylic acid functional group. Here you have 1OH, in the meta we have COOH, carboxylic acid functional group with the loss of H2O. C6H5COOH is benzoic acid. In benzoic acid, the meta position we have 1-hydroxy. Therefore, meta-hydroxy benzoic acid is obtained when metacresol is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. The third question is, when phenol is treated with propane 2-ol, nothing but isopropyl alcohol. In the presence of HF, hydrofluoric acid, Friedel-Crafts reaction takes place, identifying the product. So, our reagent is phenol C6H5OH. Now, OH is ortho and para directing. I separated one hydrogen. Propane 2-ol, nothing but isopropyl alcohol. OH is attached to the center carbon. This is one isopropyl alcohol. Now this reaction takes place in the presence of hydrofluoric acid. One H plus and OH minus is removed as H2O. Now this isopropyl plus is added to orthocarbon, gives the first product C6H4 phenol OH. In the orthocarbon we have one isopropyl CH3 plus one more para product is also formed. In this ortho position containing one isopropyl or two isopropyl phenol. And now I write the para hydrogen, one isopropyl alcohol is now react with HOCH. Here you have one methyl, here you have one methyl, 2-propanol. One H plus from para carbon and OH minus removed as H2O. This carbon plus is added to this bond, gives the para product. This is our phenol C6H4OH. Para carbon contain CH3. Here also one CH3. Totally 2 molecules of water are removed. In the 4th carbon we have one isopropyl. Therefore, this is 4 isopropyl phenol. 4 isopropyl phenol. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.